It's lunchtime on a grey and cold and windy day. But it's autumn. I love it. It's beautiful out here. Anyway, the reason for this little clip is house hunt again. I went to my finance guru and he told me that if everything goes okay with the ground in, well, my preferred ground that I kept banging on about, I should actually go ahead and buy the house or build a house. Simple reason, I have to turn around, I have to walk backwards now, too windy. Simple reason is finances, really. I'm getting old, so the longer I wait, the less banks are willing to give me any money. Also, there is talk about an increase of interest. Right now we're in low interest times, and that's why people build so many houses, because the money is easy to get and you don't have to pay back as much as you did in the past couple of years. But that is supposed to change. There is talk that the interest will be increased and that the banks are not willing to lend money so easily anymore. So if I do want to fulfill my dream and have a house, either build a house or buy an existing house, I should go ahead and do it. So now I'm completely confused. I don't know what to do. It would be nice to have a house and move out, but at the same time I have to admit I am scared, I'm worried, because it's a lot of money involved. But anyway, hope you're enjoying the wet and cold and windy day. You see a little bit, not much, but of the town where I work at. Actually, I work in that direction, but I cannot film anything there. So, you get to see this place here. The acre, the field, I should say. And the houses in the background. And the church. So, anybody know what to do? Should I go ahead, build a house, buy a house? Or should I give up on my dream and live a happier life because I don't have that financial burden and I don't have to worry about, cleaning a whole house and taking care of a garden, although that's what I really wanted to do. Decisions. It's tough, isn't it? All right. Hope your day is better. Bye.